Hey guys, it's Roberto. Here's another video on how to determine overall direction of a currency. Often what I'll do is start looking for these trades at a beginning of a trading session. So either right now it's the European session that is open. That's what we see some activity happening right now. I'm looking at the Australian dollar. So a few things. I look at different time frames. At the moment, I'm looking at the 2-hour chart, and if you can notice that we are in an uptrend Aussie dollar. The other thing is that I look at another Aussie pair, Aussie CAD. Notice that it rallied yesterday and came back down to a support, and it's starting to rally. Okay, and I'm in this trade right now, so I'll look at other Aussie pairs, and I notice that all the Aussie pairs are heading north. So the Aussie obviously is in an uptrend. Okay. The other thing I do is look at different time frames. So on a 2-hour chart, the Aussie dollar obviously is in an uptrend. I'll look at a 4-hour chart to see if yes, it's still in an uptrend. And I'll switch over to a 1-hour chart for my entries. And yesterday, Aussie dollar rallied, came back down. These are supply and demand zones, these colors that you see right here. So they are free on Smart Trader platform. You don't have to purchase. I know some supply and demand zone indicators can be very expensive. I know one for it's like $500, but it comes free with this platform. So again, looking at multiple time frames, multiple currencies, you can determine if a currency is in a strong uptrend or selling off. Okay, let's look at some other pairs. This is the pound dollar. So pound dollar it's been in an uptrend for the past 3 days. And these supply and demand zones really guide us, help us to enter trade. So we're still in an uptrend, so I would definitely start looking for buying opportunities. And again, I'm looking for trading opportunities at the beginning of a trading session. Either the European, which is right now it's 2:40 a.m. or 3:40 a.m. Eastern, which is about 9 o'clock in the morning in the UK. So I'm looking for a lot of movement, a lot of volatility, a lot of volume. So again, I'm looking at different time frames that can help me take this trade. So I look at the 2-hour chart, I look at the 1-hour chart, I look at the 4-hour chart, and I notice we're still in an uptrend. Okay. Let's look at the euro dollar. Same thing. The euro dollar is in an uptrend, but we have the only thing that I see is strong resistance, and this is a major turn supply zone. And so I'm not certain that I would buy this currency at this time, because it's hitting a strong resistance. Unless it can break this level of resistance, then most likely it's going to retest the zone and turn around and head south. Okay, so the only trade I'm in right now is Aussie Canadian pair, and it is showing strong resistance, strong weakness up at these levels. So I will take this trade, but I'm looking to get out, try to capture 10 or 20 pips and just get out of this trade. But the entry was down here. We had a bearish hammer at a Fibonacci retracement level at 61%. This is the 4-hour chart. On the 2-hour chart, stochastics notice was oversold, and that's what we want to see if we're going to buy. Again, we're looking for consolidation, support, and the market taking a direction. Notice also that this support level is at the same level of the previous resistance from Monday's high. So when resistance is broken, which was broken here, it becomes support. So that was a good entry because stochastic is oversold. We have a candlestick reversal pattern, and the market is in an uptrend. The Aussie Canadian dollar is in an uptrend. The Aussie dollar is in an uptrend. So we'd favor that. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, just send me an email. Thanks for watching.